morning to all my viewers around the world. You're welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today we'll be looking at a question still under Nigerian Mathematics Olympiad, first round for senior category. But before we go straight into the question, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. All right, the question is in triangle ABC with A equals side BC, B equals side CA, and C equals side AB. Given sine, open bracket, B minus C close bracket over sine, open bracket, B plus C close bracket can be expressed as, and we have the options given. So we need to express these with all the information given here. So to start with, let's see how we solve that. This is solution now. All right. So from here, this is what we want to express as any of the answer in the option here. Okay. First thing, let's state that we have sine, open bracket, B minus C, close bracket, then over sine, open bracket, B plus C. And let's take note that the expansion of this is going to give us sine B cos C, then minus sine C, then cos B, everything over. The same thing with the denominator, we have sine B cos C, then plus, this is sine C cos B. Okay, this is the first thing we need to do. And then when you take a look at this expansion that we have here, we need to get a sine rule, and also we need to quote a cosine rule. Now to start with, let's have a sine rule. That's a sine rule now. We all know the formula for a sine rule, which states that we have A over sine A, then is equal to B over sine B, which is equal to C over sine C. Okay, and after this, going back to this as well, we need cosine C, that's cos C and cos B. So we need to quote the formula for cos C and also for cos B. We don't need cos A because cos A is not appearing here. So from cosine rule now, we have cosine rule. So here in cosine rule, let's start with cos B. Cos B. So cos B is going to give us A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. That's cos B. Then let's have cos C. Cos C, okay, that's going to give us A squared plus B squared, then minus C squared over 2AB. All right, and like I've said, based on what we have here, okay, everything we have here centers on sine B, sine A, sine B, sine C, then cos B, cos C. So we have cos B, we have cos C. Now let's try and bring the sine rule in. We don't need A over sine A because there is nothing like sine A here. So let's quote B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. So from sine rule, we have B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. All right. Now let's make sine C subject of formula. Okay. Making sine C subject of formula, what do we have? That's going to give us sine C is equal to C will multiply sine B. So we have C sine B, then over B. This is sine C. Okay, so let's go on with the solution to this question. Let's have a line here. Okay, so from here, I'm going to insert sine C here, okay, cos B here, and also cos C here. So to insert that, let's start with this. We have sine B. Sine B is not known, so we still keep our sine B. That means we have sine B, okay, then into brackets. What is our sine? I mean, cos C. We quote this formula here. Cos C is A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB, okay? Close the bracket. Then we have minus. This is minus. Then here we have sine C. What is our sine C? This is our sine C here. That's C sine B over B. So this is C over, sorry, C sine B. This is C sine B over B. And what is our cos B? We have the cos B here. We quote that as well into bracket. Cos B is A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. Close the bracket. Okay, this is for the numerator. Then we have the denominator now. That's over. The denominator we still have sine B. We keep our sine B. Okay. Then cos C. What is cos C? Still the same thing here. That's A squared. Okay. Then plus B squared minus C squared over 2AC. Sorry, 2AB. 2AB close bracket. And this is plus, not minus, because we are going with this, okay? Then we have our sine C. What's our sine C? That's C sine B over B. C sine B over B. Then close the bracket. Then what is our sine B? I mean, sorry, cos B. This is our cos B here, which is A squared plus C squared minus B squared, then over 2AC. All right. So at this point now, let's try to take a look at the numerator very well. We can bring out the common factor from numerator. And what do you think the common factor will be? We can bring sine B out as a common factor. So to bring sine B out as a common factor, I'm going to have sine B, okay, then into a open bracket. Then we have this, which is A squared, okay, plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB, close the bracket. Then we have minus, of course, we've taken sine B out. This is going to be C over B, okay, close bracket. We are left with what? A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC, close the bracket. So this is just for the numerator. Then let's have the denominator now. For the denominator, we still have our sine B in open brackets. Then the inner bracket as well, we have A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Close the bracket. Then we have plus here. Then also, we've taken sine B out. So this one still remains as C over B. And we have an opening bracket. Okay. This is A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. Close the bracket. All right. So from there, what do we do? Let's look at this very well, which means that we can strike out sine B and sine B. Sine B can cancel sine B. And if that is the case, we take a look at the inner, what we have inside the bracket. Sorry, there is an outside bracket here, and also there is one here. Okay, let's take a look at what we have inside the big brackets, okay? And I'm looking at it very well. Let's use this one here to multiply what we have in this bracket. So that's going to give us, this is equal to, here we have A squared plus B squared minus C squared, then over 2AB. We're not going to change anything there. then minus, so use C over B to multiply this. That's going to give us A squared C, okay? Then we have plus C cubed, okay? And the last one, we have minus times minus. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's still keep that. This would be B squared, that's minus B squared, okay? Then over B squared C over 2A B, C. Okay. So we're done with this. Then we do the same thing to the numerator. We do the same thing to the numerator. And for the numerator as well, we're going to have A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB close bracket. Then this time around is plus here. Then we open another bracket. We use this to multiply this. That's A squared C, okay? Then plus C raised to power 3, then minus B squared C over 2ABC, close the bracket. All right, now from this part now, what do we do? Let's roll a line here to continue from the next part here. Okay, so here from the numerator, we can take the LCM. And I'm taking the LCM of the numerator. The LCM is going to be 2ABC. We have 2AB here, 2ABC here. So the LCM is 2ABC. So 2AB in 2ABC, we are left with C. So we use C to multiply everything we have at the numerator here. So this is going to give us A squared C, okay? Then also what do we have? Plus B squared C and a minus C cube, okay? We're done with this. Then this part here, 2ABC in 2ABC. To give us 1, we use 1 to multiply everything here, meaning we're going to use this minus to open this bracket. So that becomes minus A squared C, right? Then minus, because minus times plus here gives plus, minus C cubed. Then what is again? Plus, that's minus times minus plus B square C. Okay, so this is for the numerator. Then we go with the denominator as well. Okay, for the denominator, the same thing is applicable here. LCM is 2ABC. So 2AB in 2ABC, we are left with C. Use C to multiply everything here. That still gives us A squared C. Okay, then plus B squared C minus C cubed. Okay, we're done with that. Then 2ABC in 2ABC. That's going to give us 1. We use 1 to multiply everything here. Since this one is plus here, so the sign here remains the same. Okay, so here we have plus A squared C. Okay, then we also have plus C cubed. We have minus B squared C. Okay. All right, so from this part now, let's take a look at it. Some things can cancel out there. What are those things? We have A squared C. We go with A squared C, okay? And what else? This is plus B squared C, plus B squared C. No, we cannot cancel that. Minus C cube and the minus C cube, we leave that. And at the denominator, what do we have there? B squared C, we go with B squared C. What else again? Minus C cube, we go with C cube. All right, so let's continue. So this is equal to, now if we pick this B squared C plus B squared C, that's going to give us, let's have it this way, 2B squared C, okay? Then minus C cube minus C cube, that's going to give us minus 2C cube. Then we have over 2ABC, okay? Close the bracket. Then, okay, let's change, this is division line. Let's change it to multiplication straight. And of course, when you change to multiplication, from the denominator here, these two A, B, C will come up, then these will go down. So in a nutshell, here we have 2A, B, C, then over 2A, B, C over. So here, what are we left with? We are left with A squared C plus A squared C. So that's going to give us 2A square C, close the bracket. Okay, so from this part now, so what is the next thing again? So the next thing is, let's cancel this out. This we cancel with this. So we are left with 2B squared C minus 2C cubed, then over we have 2A squared C, 2A squared C. And looking at the numerator here, we can factorize this out. So 2C is common. Let's bring that out. 2C is common. And we are left with what here? B squared. Then minus, what are we left with here? That's C squared. Okay. Then over. Everything here is 2A squared C. So if we have this, so 2 we cancel out 2, C we cancel out C. So the final answer eventually becomes B squared minus C squared over A squared, which is option A. Option A is the answer, and the answer is this. Okay, we have come to the end of today's class. That's the solution to this question. But please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. Till we see next class. Thank you.